Can I use cooking spray to prevent chocolate from sticking to plastic molds?
Hello, chocolate creators. Today, we're going to address a common challenge that many of you might have faced: preventing chocolate from sticking to plastic molds. You might be wondering, can a simple kitchen item like cooking spray solve this problem? Let's dive into this sweet discussion.
Why does chocolate stick to plastic molds?
Before we address the solution, it's essential to understand the problem. When you pour melted chocolate into a plastic mold, it begins to cool and contract. During this process, the chocolate may adhere to the mold surface, making it challenging to remove the hardened chocolate without breaking it. Factors such as the type of chocolate, the temperature when poured, and the mold's cleanliness can all influence how much the chocolate sticks.
Can cooking spray prevent sticking?
Cooking spray is a common kitchen tool that helps prevent food from sticking to cooking surfaces. However, when it comes to chocolate and plastic molds, it might not be your best bet. Applying a layer of cooking spray can leave a greasy residue on your finished chocolates, affecting their look and taste. Furthermore, it might not effectively prevent the chocolate from sticking.
What are the alternatives?
If cooking spray isn't ideal, what other options are there? Firstly, make sure the mold is clean and dry. Any residue can make it harder to release the chocolate. Next, consider tempering your chocolate. Tempering is a process of heating and cooling chocolate that aligns the cocoa butter crystals, giving the chocolate a smooth, shiny finish and a snap when broken. Properly tempered chocolate should release from a plastic mold easily once set. Lastly, placing the mold in the refrigerator or freezer for a short period can help. The cold helps the chocolate contract further from the mold's sides, making it easier to pop out. In conclusion, while it might seem like a quick fix, cooking spray isn't the best solution for preventing chocolate from sticking to plastic molds. Instead, focus on clean molds, tempering your chocolate, and a quick chill to ensure your chocolates slide out smoothly. Happy chocolate making!